Hi, my name is Michael and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Space and Beyond. In recent weeks, 100 of the more than 5,000 drone sightings reported to FBI, weeks according to an article from NBCChicago.com. Both civilians and political administrators have reported drone sightings in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, Connecticut, Ohio, as well as other states. Questions are being asked as to whether drones are being mistaken as UAPs or UFOs. They want to know what is going on in our skies. Every time something out of this world happens or occurs in our skies, you all want to run like an episode of Godzilla walking on the street or running on the streets of Hong Kong. So let's talk a little bit about that situation.